Some gadgets don't just look cool, they actually solve problems you didn't realize technology could fix. From a tiny flashlight that can light up an entire campsite, to a drone so powerful it can shoot cinematic footage from the sky, and even a machine that can literally manufacture objects inside your house. And trust me, the final gadget on this list might be the most powerful creator tool you've ever seen. Let's get into it. One gadget that proves powerful tech can come in incredibly small packages is the WUBEN G5 RGB EDC flashlight. At first glance, it looks like a simple keychain light, but once it powers on, you quickly realize it's something entirely different. Despite its tiny size, this pocket flashlight can blast out 400 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough to light up a dark street or campsite. The beam reaches nearly 82 meters, so it's surprisingly capable in outdoor situations. But what makes this flashlight truly unique is the RGB side lighting system. Instead of just white light, it can switch between multiple colors, including red, blue, and green. These modes are incredibly useful for night photography, emergency signaling, or simply adding ambient light during outdoor activities. The magnetic back lets you attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free use, while the rotating clip allows it to act as a mini work light when clipped to a hat or backpack. And the most surprising part? This ultra-compact powerhouse costs only $29.99. Speaking of small gadgets with huge usefulness, the next device disappears right on your keychain but becomes incredibly powerful the moment you need it. The ACEBEAM Keylite 500 is designed for people who want serious lighting power without carrying bulky gear. This tiny flashlight produces 500 lumens, which is bright enough to completely illuminate dark rooms, trails, or roadside emergencies. Its beam can reach up to 120 meters, making it surprisingly powerful for something smaller than most car keys. But the clever engineering doesn't stop there. It features multiple brightness levels, so you can conserve battery when you only need a little light, or unleash full brightness when visibility really matters. The durable aluminum body means it's built to survive drops, rain, and everyday abuse. And since it charges via USB-C, you can easily recharge it using a phone charger or power bank. All that performance in something that weighs just a few grams. The price for this compact everyday tool is about $34.90. Now imagine transforming your smartphone into a portable gaming console that rivals dedicated handheld systems. That's exactly what the abxylute M4 Snap-on mobile gaming controller does. Instead of struggling with touchscreen controls, this controller snaps directly onto your phone and instantly gives you real physical buttons, joysticks, and triggers, just like a professional gaming controller. It supports cloud gaming platforms and emulators, meaning you can play console-level titles anywhere. The ergonomic design keeps your hands comfortable during long sessions, and the responsive analog sticks allow precision control in fast-paced games. Latency is incredibly low, so your actions feel immediate rather than delayed. That's a huge advantage for competitive players who rely on quick reactions. With mobile gaming growing rapidly, devices like this turn your phone into a serious handheld gaming machine, and it does that for around $79. Now imagine controlling almost every device in your house using just your phone. The R09 mini smartphone infrared remote adapter is one of those simple gadgets that instantly feels magical once you use it. Plug it into your phone and suddenly it can act as a universal remote for televisions, air conditioners, projectors, sound systems, and more. It works by sending infrared signals, the same type used by traditional remotes. The companion app contains a massive database of devices, so chances are it already supports the electronics in your home. Instead of hunting for lost remotes, your phone becomes the control center for everything. This tiny adapter costs only $19.99, making it one of the most practical gadgets you can carry. But technology isn't just about convenience. Sometimes it's about recovery and performance. The Dolenem RioFit. A One AI muscle recovery roller is built for athletes, gym lovers, and anyone who deals with muscle soreness. Unlike standard foam rollers, this device uses AI-assisted vibration therapy to analyze pressure and adjust intensity automatically. The result is deeper muscle relaxation and faster recovery after intense workouts. It targets tight muscle groups, improves circulation, and reduces stiffness far more effectively than manual massage tools. Its rechargeable battery provides extended sessions, and the compact design makes it easy to bring to the gym or travel with. This smart recovery tool typically sells for around $149. If you think the earlier flashlights were powerful, the next one takes brightness to another level entirely. The Rubely FL9000 rechargeable flashlight is designed for serious outdoor situations. With an incredible 9,000 lumens of output, this flashlight can illuminate entire fields, campsites, or emergency scenes. Its beam travels hundreds of meters, making it extremely useful for hiking, camping, or search situations. It's built from durable aluminum alloy and includes a rechargeable battery system so you don't constantly replace disposable batteries. The package actually includes 2 flashlights, giving you backup lighting for outdoor adventures or emergency kits. And the 2-pack costs roughly $45, which is impressive considering the brightness. Now let's move into something designed for professionals who work with cameras, laptops, and gear in demanding environments. The Tether Tools AeroTrac Workstation Pro Kit is essentially a portable workstation system designed for photographers and content creators. It attaches to tripods or stands and provides a secure platform for laptops, tablets, cameras, and accessories while shooting on location. This allows photographers to instantly review photos, transfer files, or control editing software without needing a traditional desk. The system is lightweight yet extremely durable, and the modular design allows it to adapt to many different creative setups. For professionals who shoot outdoors or on location, it dramatically improves workflow efficiency. The price for this pro-level setup is around $299. Now picture riding through the city with a backpack that doesn't just carry your gear, it actively protects you. The Unit 1 Torch 2.0 Commuter backpack integrates smart LED lighting directly into the bag. These lights act as brake lights and turn signals when connected to a wireless handlebar controller, so cyclists can signal turns and stops without taking their hands off the handlebars. It also includes anti-theft compartments, weather-resistant materials, and organized storage for laptops and everyday gear. For urban commuters, it's both a safety upgrade and a stylish tech accessory. The price is roughly $249. Another gadget solving a common problem is the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. When folded, it's small enough to fit inside a pocket or small bag. But once opened, it becomes a full-size keyboard that connects to phones, tablets, or laptops. That means you can write emails, documents, or scripts anywhere without struggling with touchscreen typing. The battery lasts for weeks on standby, and it connects instantly via Bluetooth. For travelers and remote workers, it's incredibly useful, and it typically sells for about $39. For anyone doing home renovations or DIY projects, the HOZO M-Cube 02 anti-gravity laser level feels almost futuristic. This compact tool projects perfectly straight laser lines onto walls, floors, and ceilings to ensure everything you install is perfectly aligned. The anti-gravity magnetic system allows it to stick securely to metal surfaces or special mounting pads. That means you can position it almost anywhere and instantly create perfectly level reference lines. For tasks like hanging shelves, installing cabinets, or laying tiles, it dramatically increases accuracy. The price is about $119. Now let's look at a gadget designed to understand your body in ways normal scales never could. The Wyze Scale Ultra BodyScan doesn't just measure weight. It analyzes body fat percentage, muscle mass, hydration levels, bone mass, heart rate, and more. All the data syncs to an app where you can track long-term progress and health trends. For people trying to improve fitness or monitor health metrics, it offers far more insight than a traditional scale. And the impressive part is the price, just $43. Keeping things hygienic is another area where technology is evolving. The Jet Fresh UV Toothbrush Sanitizer uses ultraviolet light to eliminate bacteria that can build up on toothbrushes. You simply place your toothbrush inside, close the lid, and the UV light kills germs within minutes. Considering how many bacteria can accumulate in bathrooms, this device provides an extra layer of cleanliness. It costs around $39. Now we move into something far more advanced technology that literally takes creativity into the sky. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is one of the most powerful compact drones ever created. Despite weighing under 250 grams, it carries a 1-inch CMOS camera capable of shooting 4K HDR video and 50 megapixel photos. That larger sensor allows incredible detail, better low-light performance, and cinematic footage that rivals much larger drones. It also features 225-degree gimbal rotation, enabling true vertical video for social media creators. Obstacle detection sensors surround the drone, helping it automatically avoid collisions even while tracking moving subjects. And the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, giving you up to 156 minutes of total flight time. With professional features packed into a palm-sized drone, it's an incredible tool for creators. This premium package costs about $1,159. Outdoor adventures become far more enjoyable with the next gadget. The Packfire portable camping fire pit brings the warmth of a campfire anywhere without the usual smoke problem. Its ClearBurn airflow system reburns smoke particles, reducing smoke output by up to 80% while producing hotter, cleaner flames. Even better, the entire fire pit folds flat and fits into a special backpack, making it easy to carry to campsites, beaches, or outdoor events. Setup takes about 30 seconds, and the stainless steel construction ensures it can survive years of use. For outdoor lovers, it's a serious upgrade over traditional fire pits. The price is around $399. Finally, we arrive at a gadget that can literally create objects out of thin air. The Sovol SV08 Core XY 3D printer is designed for speed, precision, and large-scale creativity. Its advanced Core XY motion system allows printing speeds up to 700 millimeters per second, making it dramatically faster than most consumer printers. The massive 350 millimeter build volume means you can print large objects, prototypes, or multiple parts at once. It supports materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, carbon fiber composites, and more so, the possibilities are almost endless. From custom tools to replacement parts to creative art projects, this machine allows you to manufacture designs directly from digital files. And for a high-performance 3D printer with professional features, the price is surprisingly accessible at $529. Technology keeps pushing the boundaries of what small devices can do. But if you could only choose one gadget from this entire list, which one would you actually buy first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering the most innovative gadgets on the internet, make sure you subscribe to Nexaro Tech for more videos like this.